Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai, and today I'll show you how you sync your Google Ads data into Snowflake. Before you begin, please make sure that you have access to at least one Google Ads account with data, with active campaigns, and a Snowflake database. Let's get started. Head to onboard.windsor.ai and then search for Google Ads, or you actually also find it on top of the list here. Then you sign in with Google, you grant access, and then you're redirected back into the screen here. Then you should be able to see all your Google Ads accounts in the drop down here. Select the ones you want to sync over into Snowflake. Click on Preview and Destination. Now on the right hand side, you can select Google Ads. And then you can also select the fields you want to query. So in my case, I'm going to send account name, ad group name, campaign, clicks, the data source, Google, date, and the spend over. So let me remove source. Now as a next step, click on Snowflake. Then in here, add destination task. Fill in the details here. This is how the screen will look. Now, of course, you would want to give it a different task name, give it a different table name. Make sure that the table does not exist yet, as we will create it for you on the first upload. Now, lastly, select the schedule. I select 2 a.m. Be careful, the time here is in UTC. Then you click Save. Now the upload turned green. So in Snowflake, if I go refresh, I then see the table name, preview the table, and now you can see we get the same data synced into Snowflake as we had in our preview here. In case you want to load historical data, you can use this backfill feature here. For example, to load 2 years of data, you click on 2 years here, and then you click Save, and then the data will be backfilled. This concludes the demo. Now your data is in Snowflake. Thanks very much for watching, and enjoy working with our connectors.